here's what I have going on so far. This is a 25-gallon tank for like a 87 to 91, I think, Suburban or Blazer Chevrolet. So it has the side exit. It's got a baffle down in there because I got the EFI tank. And the EFI tank has the same hole as the other, but it fits the EFI setup for a sending unit. So I just bought a cheap one, and it came with these connectors here. 6 AN fittings adapted to here and here for the supply and the return. Here's the overflow. Here is the vent. Then I took and customized a fill tube from something in my junk pile, welded a bong on top, made it to where I'll be able to bolt it into the bottom of the floor, and that'll be for the fill tube there, which I had to reduce. So I have a reducer here, and of course I'm gonna have to do some special stuff to make this tube long enough. All that work. Swapped out the TBI fuel pump because it pumps what, like 15 PSI, something like that, I don't know, for the probably eBay pump or whatever was running the truck before, but I know it was running the truck, so good to go. I had to depin the connector and repin it for the connector that was in this one because it didn't work out, but that's okay. Here's the old stuff off of the other one and how they had it connected. So far looking good. I'll show you how well this fits if I can do it with one hand. Let's see. Might have a problem there being able to get that in. Oh, come on. All right, I'm gonna have to figure that out. Have a hard time getting it in with my sock on there. All right, took a break to fix that. It's a little crooked, but it's in there now. Doesn't interfere with the float, and now I can actually, hopefully, I haven't tried it yet, but get them in there. There we go. That's what we're looking for. And now you've got a totally sealed system that's based off what was in the GM trucks. I'm supposed to get this ring over this. It won't go on from the bottom or the top. How do I get this on? I hope there wasn't an easier way to do that, but I put a wet rag over the electrical stuff, got my air gun ready, heated this and bent it just a little bit, bent this one a little bit by hand, just enough to get the dang thing over. So now it should all slide in there beautifully. There's the O-ring all the way down. Find the lock right about there. There she is. Set that down in there. Start spinning. Now I just need to whack it with a hammer a few times to put it in place. Tighten these two up and she'll be ready for install.